Having regard to the current financial challenges the club is facing, and which challenges have been compounded by the COVID-19 pandemic, and further, in view of the financial constraints so far experienced by the club in the past, the executive committee, having studied various financial models adopted by some of the successful football clubs around the globe, have resolved to adopt a hybrid of some of these benchmarks and to roll out a fundraising scheme that should ensure the financial sustainability of the club in the future. The fundraising scheme shall entail the following. 1, the main source of funds shall primarily be the club members, that is our fans, supporters, and any other well-wishers. 2, the mode of collection shall be by remittance to a new designated Safaricom Paybill number 402-5683, and repeat, Paybill number 402-5683, whose signatories will be the nominees of the club members and who shall be accountable. 3, members, supporters, and well-wishers are encouraged to make regular monthly contributions of such sums as they will see fit, and the target is, as will be explained later on by the Secretary General, an amount of $2 million that we intend to raise within a certain time. The Secretary General will be talking about it. Looking ahead, in due course, the club shall establish and launch a vehicle into which members shall be invited to invest, have a stake in, and get returns from. This is different just from the fundraising that we are doing. We are also thinking about having a vehicle into which members should be able to now invest, not just contribute, but just invest into and then have their own returns. This is captured in our new constitution. And we also, in due course, will be giving consideration to a partnership with any interested joint venturer, the Simba model. The other model I have described first is just the Barcelona model. I did not want to put them down in writing, but that is what they are. So that is briefly what we want to launch today as a fundraising exercise. We're facing serious financial challenges, as you know, but the more details will be provided by the Secretary General, whom we have as a committee nominated to spearhead this venture. Thank you.